Alright, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, City of Electrons. So in this video we are going to do this, which is what? Evaluation of public alternatives. Evaluation of public alternatives. Now, what does this mean? Evaluation of public alternatives is the selection of best alternative from the available what? Alternatives. Alternative just gives us the idea of option. You can do this or that, one or the other. So the best one, that's selection of the best what? Alternatives from the available alternatives. That's what? Evaluation of what? Public alternatives. Now the factor considered in selection of best alternative is what? Profit what? Maximization. Okay, of course, who doesn't want to make profit? We all want to make profit. So this is the objective. This is the factor considered. Profit what? Maximization. Now the main objective of any public alternative is to what? Provide goods and service to the public at what? Minimum costs. You want to spend little and provide what the public needs. Of course, that's the objective. Okay, spend little and make profits. Okay, maximization and profit maximization, but at minimum what? Cost. So for the evaluation of public alternatives, the benefit cost ratio is used. Benefit cost ratio. How much does this cost you? What's your benefit? What's your cost? Okay, what it costs you to get it, and what do you gain from it? So the benefit to cost ratio is given as this. This is the formula. BC, benefit to cost ratio, equals what? Equivalent benefits divided by what? Equivalent costs. So everything it costs you, all of them together, the equivalent costs. Then this one, all your little benefits, whether the whichever size of benefit you get, all of them together, the equivalent benefit divided by the equivalent cost. That's your what? Benefit to cost ratio. Of course, we can rewrite this benefit to cost ratio in this form: BP over P plus CP. Also, we can write it as BF over PF plus CF. We can also write it as what? BA over PA plus C. Don't worry about this, okay? And the next class, I believe he's going to go deeper into this. Of course, once we are giving deeper thoughts or deeper lessons on this, of course, I'll still make video on it. This is what was done. This was what was done in class, so that's why we have it right here. Okay. So, but what does all this mean? All this P and then C and then this guy. So for P, what does it mean? Initial investment. What's your initial investment? That's the meaning of P. Then where is CP first? BP is what? Present worth of total benefits. So your present worth of total benefits, if you divide it by what? Initial investment plus what? CP. Present worth of yearly cost of operation and maintenance. How much does this thing cost you presently? That's CP. How much does it cost you presently? Okay. Plus what? Your initial investment. Initial investment plus how much it costs you. This is going to divide what? It's dividing your what? Present worth of total benefit. This is the same thing as saying what? Benefit to cost ratio. We can also write benefit to cost ratio as what? BF, which is what? Look at it. Future worth of total benefits. Divided by what? PF, which is what? Future worth of initial investment. All these guys are future things. Okay? Therefore, the CF is what? Future worth of what? Yearly cost of operation. So once you see C, know we are talking about what? Operation and maintenance. Yearly cost of what? Operation and what? Maintenance. If you put P in C, it means present worth of yearly costs. Okay? Yearly cost of operation and maintenance. If you see F in C, it means what? Future. Okay? Future worth of yearly. But C on its own just means yearly cost of operation and maintenance. Okay? Then of course, P is for what? Initial investment. So PA will be what? Annual what? Equivalent of the initial investment. PF will be what? Future. F just means future, okay? P is present, A is annual, F is future, okay? So this guy, okay, I've talked about this one. Therefore, BA will be what? The annual what? Equivalent, look at it, annual equivalent of total benefits, okay? Then PA will be what? Annual what? Equivalent of what? Initial investment. Then C on its own will be what? Early cost of operation and what? Maintenance. I think this is it. So if this benefit to cost ratio is at least 1, the public alternative is justified. Otherwise, it is not justified. Meaning, this thing, this over this, if our answer is at least 1, and that means it's okay. But if the answer is not 1, well, it's not justified. Okay, it's not justified. It's not justified. Okay, so meaning, let's say if the answer is less than 1, oh, that means you are actually losing. If the answer is greater than 1, it means you are gaining a lot. But if the answer is at least 1, and then it's justified. Justified. Okay. So thanks for watching, and comments, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. Bye for now.